Dear friends and companions, I hope you all are in good health. In today's video, we will discuss an important topic related to health. Fatty liver, hepatic steatosis, is a condition where excess fat accumulates in liver cells. It occurs when the liver stores more fat than it can process, leading to inflammation and potential liver damage. Fatty liver is commonly associated with obesity, excessive alcohol consumption, insulin resistance, diabetes, and poor diet. There are two main types: non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, which is linked to metabolic disorders, and alcoholic fatty liver disease, AFLD, caused by heavy alcohol consumption. If left untreated, fatty liver can progress to more severe conditions like fibrosis, cirrhosis, or liver failure. Maintaining a healthy diet, regular exercise, and avoiding excessive sugar, alcohol, and processed foods can help prevent and even reverse fatty liver disease. There are 3 types of foods that should be consumed regularly for a healthy liver and 3 types of foods that should be strictly avoided, as they can contribute to fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is becoming increasingly common, not just in adults but also in young people and even children. If left untreated, it gradually damages the liver, leading to inflammation, scarring, fibrosis, and eventually liver failure, a condition known as cirrhosis. The liver plays a crucial role in detoxification, digestion, and metabolism, and when it becomes overloaded with fat, its function declines, leading to serious health consequences. Therefore, making the right dietary choices is essential to maintaining liver health and preventing irreversible damage. To protect your liver, you should minimize the consumption of foods that can worsen fatty liver disease, particularly excessive sugar, deep-fried foods, and highly processed foods. Sugary foods and drinks, including carbonated soft drinks, energy drinks, packaged fruit juices, and other sugar-loaded beverages, are among the worst culprits. These drinks contain high amounts of fructose and artificial sweeteners, which are directly processed by the liver. Overconsumption of these sugary beverages forces the liver to store excess fat, leading to fatty liver disease. Even fruit juices, which may seem healthy, contain concentrated sugars that spike blood sugar levels and contribute to liver fat accumulation. It is always better to consume whole fruits instead of fruit juices, as the fiber in fruits helps slow down sugar absorption. Instead of consuming sugary beverages, opt for healthier alternatives such as plain water, unsweetened herbal teas, or black coffee. Some people believe that diet sodas are a healthier alternative because they do not contain sugar. However, these beverages contain artificial sweeteners such as aspartame and saccharin, which can still harm the liver by affecting metabolism and increasing insulin resistance. Another category of food to avoid is deep-fried foods. Foods that are fried at high temperatures in unhealthy oils, such as French fries, fried chicken, and deep-fried snacks, are rich in trans fats and unhealthy saturated fats. These fats not only contribute to obesity but also cause inflammation and fat buildup in the liver, worsening fatty liver disease. If you enjoy fried foods, consider using an air fryer, which requires little to no oil while still providing a crispy texture. When cooking, it is important to use healthy oils such as extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, or ghee, which contain beneficial fats and antioxidants that support liver function. However, moderation is key, as excessive fat intake, regardless of the source, can contribute to liver fat accumulation. The third type of food to avoid is ultra-processed foods, which include packaged snacks, instant meals, candies, breakfast cereals, and baked goods such as cookies, cakes, and pastries. These foods are heavily processed and often contain harmful preservatives, artificial flavors, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats that can cause long-term damage to the liver. Unlike whole grains, which retain their natural nutrients, processed grains undergo significant refinement, stripping them of essential fiber and vitamins. For example, white bread and sugary breakfast cereals provide little nutritional value compared to whole grain options like multigrain bread, oats, and brown rice. Encouraging children to consume nutrient-dense meals instead of processed foods is crucial in preventing fatty liver disease from an early age. Now, let's talk about 3 types of foods that can benefit liver health and help improve fatty liver disease. The first category is healthy drinks, including black coffee, black tea, and green tea. These beverages are rich in antioxidants and polyphenol, which help reduce liver inflammation and protect against oxidative stress. Drinking 2 cups of black coffee or tea daily has been linked to a lower risk of liver disease and may even help slow the progression of fatty liver disease. However, it is important to avoid adding sugar or cream, as these can counteract the benefits. If you prefer a slightly sweet taste, Consider adding a small amount of honey once the beverage cools slightly. The second beneficial food is turmeric, which contains curcumin, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps reduce liver inflammation, supports detoxification, and may even prevent the progression of liver fibrosis. To maximize its benefits, turmeric can be added to yogurt, soups, curries, or herbal drinks. It is also recommended to consume turmeric along with black pepper, as black pepper contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of curcumin in the body. If you are taking blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before increasing turmeric intake, as it can have a mild blood-thinning effect. The third and most important category includes antioxidant-rich fruits and vegetables. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are packed with anthocyanins, which help protect liver cells from damage. The dark color of these berries is a sign of their high antioxidant content, making them excellent choices for maintaining liver health. Vegetables such as broccoli and cabbage are also beneficial, particularly due to the presence of sulforaphane, a compound that reduces inflammation and helps prevent fibrosis in the liver. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables into your diet, such as Brussels sprouts, kale, and cauliflower, can further enhance liver health. Another powerful liver-friendly food is beetroot, which contains betaine, a compound with strong anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. Drinking beetroot juice or consuming a mix of beetroot and carrot juice can support liver function and reduce oxidative stress. By eliminating harmful foods and incorporating these beneficial ones, you can significantly improve liver health and potentially reverse fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is becoming one of the most concerning health issues of our time, affecting not only adults but also younger individuals due to poor dietary habits and sedentary lifestyles. Making conscious dietary choices and opting for natural, unprocessed foods can prevent liver disease and promote overall well-being. We are regularly creating informative videos on our channel. If you found this video useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends and family. Let's work together to build healthier habits and prevent diseases through better nutrition.